New build homes in Ireland may look modern and attractive, but in 2026, many buyers are still choosing old houses instead. And honestly, some older homes offer advantages that many new builds simply cannot match: bigger rooms, better locations, larger gardens, more character, and sometimes even lower prices. Why many buyers in Ireland still prefer older homes, and why the idea that newer is always better is not always true. Because once you compare them properly, you may start looking at old houses very differently. One of the biggest advantages of older homes in Ireland is space. Many older houses were built during a time when land pressure was much lower. Because of that, they often come with larger bedrooms, wider hallways, higher ceilings, bigger kitchens, and more outdoor space. Compared to many modern developments, older homes can feel much more open and comfortable for long-term living. A buyer may notice that an older 3-bedroom house offers far more space than a similarly priced new build nearby. And for families, that extra space becomes more valuable every single year. But space is not the only reason buyers still love older homes. The next advantage may actually save people time and stress every day. Many older homes in Ireland are located in mature and well-developed areas. That means schools, shops, parks, healthcare facilities, and public transport are often already nearby. These communities are usually more connected and more convenient for daily life. In comparison, many new developments are built in expanding areas where infrastructure is still growing. Older neighborhoods also tend to feel more settled and peaceful. Tree-lined streets, mature gardens, and long-term communities create an atmosphere that many buyers still prefer today. And for working families, location can become just as important as the house itself. But here's something else many buyers notice immediately: the price difference. Older houses in Ireland are often cheaper than newly built homes in similar locations. And in today's market, that matters a lot. Many first-time buyers are already struggling with deposits, mortgage limits, and rising property prices. So an older home can sometimes provide a more affordable way to enter the market. Instead of paying a much higher price upfront for a fully finished new build, many buyers choose an older house and improve it gradually over time. That flexibility can reduce financial pressure significantly. Some buyers even renovate room by room based on their budget instead of taking on a much larger mortgage immediately. And the benefits do not stop inside the house. Outside space is another major reason many buyers still choose older properties. Many older homes in Ireland were built on larger plots of land. That means bigger front gardens, larger back gardens, more privacy, and more flexibility for future improvements. For families, pet owners, or anyone who enjoys outdoor living, this becomes a major advantage. Some buyers also use that extra space later for extensions, patios, offices, or family outdoor areas. In many modern developments, outdoor space is often much smaller because developers try to maximize the number of houses built on limited land. So for buyers who value space and privacy, older homes can feel much more comfortable long-term. But there is another reason older homes still stand out today, and it's something many people notice immediately after walking inside. Many older Irish homes have a level of character that modern developments often cannot recreate. Things like fireplaces, timber staircases, bay windows, stone details, and unique layouts make older homes feel more personal and distinctive. Modern homes are often designed for speed and standardization. But older homes usually feel more individual. And for many buyers, that emotional connection matters. Some architectural details found in older homes would actually be expensive to recreate today. That traditional design style continues to attract buyers across Ireland. But older homes are not only about appearance. For many buyers, the real advantage comes later. Older homes often give buyers the opportunity to improve the property gradually over time. Instead of paying extra upfront for every modern finish, buyers can renovate based on their own priorities and budget. Simple upgrades like painting, insulation improvements, flooring, Kitchen updates or bathroom renovations can significantly improve both comfort and future resale value. This flexibility is one of the biggest long-term advantages of older homes. Many buyers enjoy turning an older property into something modern while still keeping its original character. And here's something many buyers don't realize before house hunting in Ireland. Older homes may also give more room for negotiation. New builds usually come with fixed prices from developers. But older homes are often sold by private owners. That means buyers may have more opportunity to negotiate the final price, especially if repairs or upgrades are needed. For example, if the property needs roof work, insulation upgrades, or interior renovation, those costs may help reduce the purchase price during negotiation. And in today's market, that flexibility can save buyers thousands of euros. That is why many buyers still see older homes as both a comfortable place to live and a smart long-term investment. New builds absolutely offer advantages like energy efficiency, modern layouts, and lower maintenance. But older homes still provide many benefits that buyers continue to value in Ireland. More space, better locations, larger gardens, more character, and often stronger long-term flexibility. So the idea that newer automatically means better is not always true. For many buyers in Ireland, older homes still remain one of the smartest choices available in 2026. At the end of the day, there is no perfect answer for everyone. Some buyers will prefer the convenience of a new build. Others will prefer the space, charm, and flexibility of an older home. But one thing is clear. Older houses in Ireland still offer many advantages that continue attracting buyers every year. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more Ireland housing, property, and money-saving tips.